Hello everyone. Today's topic is Henry Fielding. First of all, we have finished Jacobean to Restoration Age. Now we are discussing about Henry Fielding. His lifespan is 1707 to 1754. 1707 to 1754. It's his lifespan. Here are some notable points which we discuss about Henry Fielding. Henry Fielding used his pen name in some novels is Captain Hercules Vinegar. Please write down on your notebook about some important points. His pen name is Captain Hercules Vinegar, and he was a novelist and dramatist. Understand? He is not a poet. This point should be noted. He is a novelist and dramatist. Using his authority as a magistrate, he found London's first police force named the Bow Street Runner. Write down the Bow Street Runners. The Bow Street Runners is founded by Henry Fielding, in London, as a authority as magistrate. Okay. Now the next point is his younger sister. Younger sister's name is Sarah. Here is Sarah, his younger sister. She was a successful writer with the publication of the Adventures of David Simple, 1744. The Adventure of David Simple, which is written by Sarah. She is the younger sister of Henry Fielding, which is the main in the publication, which is main in the success of Sarah. It is published in 1744. The next point is the particular play of Henry Fielding that triggered the License Act was the Golden Drum. First of all, note down the License Act which appeared in 1737. Okay, it's a License Act. Fielding's career triggered with the Golden Drum. Okay. His Joseph Andrews 1742 deals with Pamela's brother Joseph. Pamela's brother Joseph is based on Joseph Andrews 1742. He is one of the four wheels of the 18th century novelist which are Richardson, Tabby Smollett, and Lawrence Sterne, and Henry Fielding also. These are the four wheels of novelist. They are Richardson, Tabby Smollett, and Lawrence Sterne, and the next is Henry Fielding. They are called four wheels by Sainsbury. In 1743, he published Satire on Criminal Life. 1743. Write down the year also. Note it down, because in some exams sometimes the years also asked about. In 1743, he published Satire on Criminal Life. These are the satires: Jonathan Wild the Great, and one more satire, The Journey from this world to the next. These are the satires written by Henry Fielding on the criminal life. And next, in 1749 appeared Tom Jones, his famous novel Tom Jones, which appeared in 1749. Write down the year and the play name. Licensing Act, which appeared in 1737, ending the dramatic career of Fielding. Licensing Act, because by the provision of the Licensing Act, there should be no drama should be published, no drama on the stage. This is the Licensing Act, which appeared in 1737, and in the dramatic career of Fielding. By this Licensing Act, he gave up the idea of writing dramas. He moved to the novels. All the theatre was closed except Drury Lane Theatre and Covent Garden Theatre. These only two theatres were left, but other were closed. These are the Drury Lane Theatre and Covent Garden Theatre. These are the theatres which would not be closed. Now he gave the idea of writing drama. He came to write novels. When the theatre was closed, Fielding was the manager of Little Theatre at Haymarket. Fielding was a manager of Little Theatre at Haymarket. He edited four periodicals. Which periodicals are in? He edited four periodicals. These periodicals are The Champion. First of all, The Champion, 1739 to 1744. First periodical. And the next is the Covent Garden Journal, 1752, under the pseudonym Sir Alexander Drew Canshire. Sir Alexander Drew Canshire. True Patriot, Jacobean's Journals. True Patriot, 1745 to 1746. Jacobites Journal, 1747 to 1748. In 1748, Fielding was made Justice for Peace Magistrate, and his favorite pamphlet based in the subject of crime is Enquiry into the Case of Late Increase of Robbers. Write down, in 1748, Fielding made Justice for Peace Magistrate, and his favorite pamphlet based on the subject of crime is Enquiry into the Case of Late Increase of Robbers, 1752. In 1754, he went to Portugal and died there, leaving the Journal of Voyage to Lisbon, published in 1755, published posthumously. Okay. In 1754, he went to Portugal and died there, leaving his Journal of Voyage to Lisbon, published in 1755. Fielding is called the father of English novel. Right? Who is called the father of English novel? We can say Fielding. He saw the novels of Joseph Andrews, Tom Jones as comic epic. He saw the novels as Joseph Andrews and Tom Jones. Write down it. Joseph Andrews and Tom Jones as comic novel epic. He wrote altogether four novels. These novels. Fielding political satire, The Golden Rump, considered as a main responsible factor for implementing Licensing Act by Prime Minister Robert Walpole in 1737. Fielding's political satire. Fielding, who wrote political satire The Golden Rump, considered a main responsible factor for implementing Licensing Act by the Prime Minister Robert Walpole. This is the responsible, the Golden Rump, for the provision of the Licensing Act. The another political satire by Fielding are The Historical Register for the year 1736 and The Abandoned Piece of the above supplement entitled Eurydice Hist. These are the two other political satires which was written by Henry Fielding. In The Female Husband, write down the name. The Female Husband, the female transvestite was tried to duping another woman in a marriage. Now we are discussing about the major works of Henry Fielding. These are the most important works of Henry Fielding. Shamila, An Apology of the Life of Mrs. Shamila Andrews, 1741. uh, write down the right year. Joseph Andrews, important, 1743-42. Jonathan Wild the Great, 1743. Tom Jones, 1749. Journey from this world to the next, 1755. Journey to the Way to Lisbon, which is published after his death posthumously, 1755. Amelia, 1751. The Roast Beef of Old English, the modern husband, Rape upon Rape, 1730. Play, The Tragedy of the Tragedies of the Life and Death of Tom Thumb, The Tragedy of the Tragedies or the Life and Death of Tom Thumb, The Covent Garden Tragedy, Don Quixote in England. These are the major works which are written by Henry Fielding. Now we will discuss about some other plays, some other major works in detail. First of all, we are discussing about his play, which is Shamila, An Apology for the Life of Mrs. Shamla Andrews, 1741. An Apology for the Life of Mrs. Shamla Andrews is a satirical burlesque, a novel written by Henry Fielding. It was first published in 1741 under the name of Mr. Cannicaber. Write down his name. These are the most important points which I am discussing about. Now you write down on your notebook. Here I can provide you the pen drive also. Here the PDF file also. Sorry, not pen drive, PDF file. It was first published in 1741 under the name Mr. Cannicaber. It is a direct attack on the popular Pamela. Pamela, which is written by Pamela, which is written by Samuel Richardson. It is attack 1740. The plot of the play. It is about a shocking revelation of the true events which took place in the life of Shamila. In Shamila, instead of being a kind, humble, and just servant girl as Pamela, Shamila is in fact a lascivious creature and a former prostitute scheming to entrap her master, Squire Booby. These are the characters which you should remember. It is also called Anti-Pamela. Now the next work of Henry Fielding, which we are discussing about. The next work is Joseph Andrews, is the main work. Original title: History of the Adventures of Joseph Andrew and his friend Mr. Abraham Adams. It was a full-length novel by Henry Fielding and the first novel in English language. It published in 1742 and defined by Fielding as comic epic poem in prose. Comic epic poem in prose. Comic epic poem in prose. In the story of a good-natured footman adventure on the road home from London with his irritative mentor and absent-minded person Abraham Adams. The novel represents the coming together of two competitive atheists of 18th century literature, mock, heroic, and neoclassical approach of the Augustan as Alexander Pope and Jonathan Swift. It is prose fiction of novels and Dalian Duffy and Samuel Richardson. It is written in 4 books. Now we are discussing about the plot of the novel. Joseph Andrew is the brother of Richardson Pamela. Samuel Richardson Pamela is a famous play. In the response of Pamela, he wrote Joseph Andrews. He is the brother of Pamela. At the age of 10, he found himself tending to animal as apprentice to Sir Thomas Booby. After the death of Sir Thomas, Joseph finds that his lady's affection has rebelled as the offers him in the chamber while on the trip to London. Lady Booby calls Joseph in her chamber for the last time to seduce him before she dismisses her from his job and his longings. Joseph sets out from London, and the narrator introduces the heroine of the novel, Fanny Goodwill. Fanny Goodwill is a poor illiterate girl of extraordinary beauty. Joseph and Fanny had grown closer since their childhood. Joseph and Adams find an anonymous lady, Madame Slipslop, and ad- an admirer of Joseph. This is the story of Joseph Andrews. Here, I think it's enough for this video. We will discuss about Henry Fielding in our next video, because in this video I want to discuss the whole of Joseph Henry Fielding. So we will meet you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.